Welcome to the class. In previous lecture we discussed about the socialism in Europe and we also discussed the topic the revolution of 1905. During that revolution the workers they protested against the poor working conditions as well as the low wages. And today we will discuss the topic the February Revolution. This revolution it was started in 1917 as the World War was over. As we know the First World War, it continued from 1914 till 1917. And also we will discuss what was the impact of First World War on the Russian economy. So let us start the topic. The First World War and the Russian Empire. In this First World War, it started in 1914 and the main countries of the world, these were divided in two parts. One part was called Central Powers and other was called Axis Powers. So Germany, Austria and Turkey, they were Central Powers, and France, Britain and Russia, they were Axis Powers. Initially, when this war started, then this war was popular in Russia. As the war continued, Tsar refused to consult Duma. As you know, Duma was the elected consultative parliament of Russia, right? So he refused to consult Duma, and at that time anti-German sentiments reigned high. St. Petersburg, it was the industrial region over there, it was renamed as Petrograd. This Petersburg, it was a German word and it was renamed as Petrograd. World War I. On the eastern front, different from western front. In the east, armies moved a good deal and fought battles, leaving large casualties. Russia's armies lost badly in Germany and Austria. There were over 7 million casualties by 1917. Russian armies, they destroyed crops and buildings to prevent the enemy. So it led to over 3 million refugees in Russia. Soldiers did not wish to fight such a war. The war had a severe impact on industry because the supply of raw material was stopped. So industries were few and cut off from supplies of goods. In 1916, railway line broke down, and at that time only able-bodied person means the strong built person, they were called up for war. Because they were called up for war, that is why the labor shortage occurred, and even government has to send the grain for army, so bread and flour became scarce. So there was the very much shortage of the food in Russia at that time. So this was the impact of First World War on Russian economy, and this only just became the reason of the February Revolution in Russia. So our next topic is the February Revolution in Petrograd. In the winter of 1917, condition in the Petrograd was grim. Grim means very poor condition. The workers' quarters and factories were located on the right bank of river Neva. Here this Petrograd, it was divided in two parts. On the right bank, there were the workers' quarters and factories, and on the left bank, it was known as the fashionable area. There was the Winter Palace and official building. So on the left bank were the fashionable areas, the Winter Palace and official building. As I told you earlier, the Winter Palace, it was the official residence of the monarch of Russia. So in February 1917, food shortages were deeply felt in the workers' quarters. There was exceptional frost and snow. On February 22, a lockdown took place at a factory on the right bank. And the next day, workers in other 50 factories, they also called a strike. Women led the ways to strikes. This came to be the International Women's Day. Workers reached to the center of the capital At this stage, no political party was actively organizing the movement. These fashionable quarters and official buildings were surrounded by workers, and the government at that time imposed the curfew. Demonstrators dispersed by the evening, but they came back on the 24th and 25th of February again, and cavalry and police was called. Beta, cavalry means when the policemen they just ride on horse, so it is known as cavalry. On 25th February, government suspended the Duma. Demonstrators returned to the left bank on the 26th, and on 27th, police headquarters were ransacked. People raised slogans about bread, wages, better hours and democracy. The government called out the cavalry to control situation, but cavalry refused to fire on demonstrators. By that evening, soldiers and striking workers they gathered to form a Soviet or council in the building where Duma met, and this was known as the Petrograd Soviet. Now it means the Petrograd Soviet. It was formed by the striking workers as well as the soldiers because they denied to attack on the demonstrators. The next day, a delegation went to see the Tsar. Military commanders advised him to abdicate. He followed their advice, and Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed a provisional government to run the country. Russia's future would be decided by a constituent assembly elected on the basis of universal adult suffrage. Petrograd had led the February Revolution that brought down the monarchy in February in 1917. So this way the monarchy was brought down in Russia and the Constituent Assembly was elected on the universal adult suffrage. So beta, this was the topic about the February Revolution, and after this revolution next will be the impacts of this revolution. And you know, after this February Revolution we will also discuss the October Revolution, and in between there was a civil war also in Russia. So we will discuss all these topics in next video. Hope all of you have understood the topic well. Thank you and have a nice day.